It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm thrilled that you're joining me for a 3-minute journey. If you quietly follow along, I would greatly appreciate it. Get ready for some exciting adventures. Yangon, the largest city in Myanmar, offers several venues where you can enjoy art and performances. Here are some popular places to experience art and performances in Yangon. National Museum of Myanmar, located in the heart of Yangon. The National Museum of Myanmar showcases a wide range of historical artifacts, cultural exhibits, and traditional artworks. You can explore Myanmar's rich heritage and appreciate the artistic creations on display. Yangon National Theatre. This renowned theatre hosts various performing arts events, including traditional dance performances, music concerts, theatrical plays, and cultural shows. It is a great place to immerse yourself in Myanmar's performing arts scene. Goethe Villa, managed by the Goethe Institute, Goethe Villa is a cultural center that promotes German language and culture. It regularly hosts art exhibitions, film screenings, music performances, and other cultural events, providing a platform for local and international artists. Pansodan Scene, situated in the vibrant downtown area of Yangon. Pansodan Scene is a unique venue that combines a cafe, bookstore, and an art gallery. It regularly hosts art exhibitions, book launches, live music performances, and poetry readings, creating a dynamic space for art enthusiasts. River Gallery. This contemporary art gallery showcases the works of established and emerging local artists. Located near Inya Lake, the River Gallery hosts regular art exhibitions, featuring a diverse range of artistic expressions, including paintings, sculptures, and mixed media installations. Junction City Shopping Mall. This modern shopping mall often hosts cultural events and performances, including live music, dance shows, and art exhibitions. It's worth checking their event schedule for any ongoing or upcoming performances during your visit. Strand Hotel. The historic Strand Hotel, known for its colonial charm, occasionally hosts cultural evenings featuring traditional music and dance performances. It's an excellent opportunity to enjoy Myanmar's artistic traditions in an elegant setting. Additionally, keep an eye out for cultural festivals and special events happening in Yangon, as they often feature art exhibitions, performances, and traditional showcases. These events can be found in various venues across the city, and provide an immersive experience into Myanmar's vibrant arts and culture scene. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.